Paws is leaving Telegram, and this is actually causing a lot of confusion in the community. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, or you are yet to subscribe, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. So a few hours ago, Paws actually announced that they are probably likely leaving Telegram, and the reason is simple. He said, our team carefully reviewed the guideline released by Telegram. Unfortunately, our vision does not align with the rules and outlined in the new guide. As a result, it is highly likely that we'll have to continue the development of Paws mini app. So this is the ugly truth that we are faced with after months of grinding Telegram Paws app. And this is not only affecting Paws, every other Telegram mini app that are not using or that won't be developing on Ton ecosystem, they're actually leaving, except if they want to actually migrate to Ton ecosystem. And this will actually have a kind of effect on so many things. I think Telegram is actually taking this step. If you look at what Memefi did, what Tomato did, they actually used Telegram mini game to actually scam the community, and it ended up badly. Most of them that have actually done that didn't actually do well at the end of the day. They only use Telegram mini game to gain audience, and it ended badly. So let's look at the message by Ton ecosystem. They said blockchain choice Ton only. So to maintain scalability and security, all mini app with cryptocurrency features must exclusively use Ton blockchain. No other blockchain are permitted. To me, for Ton blockchain is a good news for them, but for those who are using Ton Telegram mini app to actually farm their something is a bad news for them. Now coming to Paws, there are a lot of things you actually need to know. Now they are moving away from Telegram mini app. It means what we'll all be depending on fully is their websites. And if you didn't set up your website properly before this day, it will actually affect you in accessing your accounts. And if you actually notice, if you check through Paws app, I believe by now you should have added it to your own page. I mean the Paws website, and also link it to your mini game. So if you are yet to do that, you can actually cross check. What you need to do is to come to paws.community. So when you come to paws.community, you will see a symbol there that says verify yourself. Now if you click on this verify yourself, you will see an option. It says verify Paws Telegram app, Phantom wallet, Ton wallet. So if you've actually connected your wallet before on the Telegram app, you can verify with the Phantom wallet you've actually used to connect it, or with your Ton wallet you can use to then you can, it's a Paws Telegram app, so you can actually use it to actually verify, so that Paws exited Telegram, you will still have access to your Paws and you'll be prepared for listing. You get the point? So you can actually click on probably Telegram app, then you do the verification, then you will have access to your Paws account. And this, I want to say, the moving away from Telegram will actually disrupt the system in a way, and which will further elongate the listing of Paws. That is just the ugly truth we are waking up to this morning. So the listing of Paws might not be anytime soon. So we'll keep you updated. Make sure you like, subscribe, and more importantly, join my Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. See you at the top.